What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up. It's Jude. Hey, look, man. We have keeping your refrigerator stocked will get you so many women. Now, this was actually linked to me. I think it was an email or DM or something by multiple people. This video was uploaded like 25 years ago almost. But we're gonna check it out because apparently, like, if you keep your refrigerator stocked, it will help you get that much more women. So if you've been lonely during these quarantine and tough times in 2020, this is the way to go apparently. So let's check it out.
What's up, y'all? Know it's your boy Shots to the Man. Yeah, now a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, you know I put you onto the whip game, put you onto a lot of things about the car game. You got any questions, holla at me. Right now, you know what I'm saying, you in a nigga's kitchen. Hold on, like, just for the moment of silence for the brand new Italian tire. Yeah, they just put this down last night. Ain't this shit cool as hell, man? Pure Italian. Alright, fuck that shit. Anyway, okay, alright. So, I was at my nigga's crib, okay, and I was trying to tell the nigga if he could just do small things to his shit, like his kitchen and his bathroom, he'll have women everywhere, dropping vagina panties all over the place. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
He thought I was bullshit. So I said, look, I'm going to do a video of something small like my refrigerator, you know what I mean? And I'm going to show you that I'm real with the shit. Alright, hold on, one more thing. Y'all see this shit? It's a chrome garbage can. I ain't never seen no chrome garbage can. The shit's from Egypt, and it flips over like this. Ain't that some cool shit? Alright, fuck that shit. Okay, alright.
What the fuck?
If you have an assortment of drinks in your fridge, it's going to open up the world. Women are going to come over here, they're going to be comfortable. I know it sounds silly, but I want y'all to feel me on this.
No, that's 100% facts. Even before he opens the refrigerator, that's 100% facts. Like, if you don't know what snacks to buy, the first go-to I can definitely vouch for is definitely get like a variety of drinks, like all the type of Tropicanical juices. You gotta have the Kool-Aid in there. Gotta have your water, stay healthy. You know what I'm saying? Orange juice, apple juice, lemonade. You know what I'm saying? Probably like some Capri Suns and some shit like that. Maybe some vitamin water if you're able to. But I know for a fact that, like, when a woman can walk in and just like feel that they have like a refreshment, which is like a drink and shit, it means and junk like that of any type of sort, it makes them be able to like cool off and be able, especially when it's hot and shit. That's definitely fact. So he's going on the right pace right now.
Oh yeah, nigga made a pizza.
Woo, bro, that pizza slap.
Fuck that
Don't be hating, yo. I know what that pizza is.
Nah, I know a lot of y'all.
Oh, he got the sodas and everything. Oh shit. Damn, he got the stash. Fuck. Oh, bro, now it's the summer. You gotta get them icicle pops too. Gotta get them icicle pops. Bro, we got the Arizona iced teas in there. I don't. Hey, look. One thing I can say: don't fuck with Red Bull. You know what I'm saying? Like energy drinks in just general, bro. It's like very unhealthy, bro. I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Mess with them. You know what I'm saying? Because that stuff can catch up to you in the long run.
This real talk for the mature chick, you know.
Like, I honestly probably only had like 2 or 3 energy drinks my entire life.
I don't know why.
Like,
you know what I'm saying? Then the Snapples, that's for like the suburban chicks. You know, they come over here, they be like, oh my God, Chai City, like, you really need a drink? And then I'm like, yeah, Becky, I got fucking Snapples off. Oh my God, you have so many flavors. This is crazy. I don't even know which one to take. And I'll be like, man, just whatever you want to take, yo, you know what I'm saying? Now, the vitamin water, that's for like the chicks, you know what I'm saying, who stay in shape. You know, they might come over to your crib after they leave the gym, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? The Smirnoff Ices,
that's alcohol, right?
That's for like the chicks who, you know, it's their first time coming over here. They want to get their drink on, but they don't know you well enough to get drunk around you. So they just get their buzz on with the Smirnoff Ice. Okay, now y'all.
People drink Smirnoff still?
I ain't gotta say. The cherry coke, that's for the hood chicks. Cause I got flaming hots, and then I hit them with the cherry coke. They in. The Red Bull, that's really for me. I ain't gonna front. I be kind of tired in the morning. Then I hit them with the Hawaiian.
Yeah, that's not healthy. Don't drink energy drinks, bro.
You see, this shit goes all the way to the back.
And then a soda. And another thing too about like diet soda, if you guys want to get informed, you know what I'm saying? I'm the best teacher that you guys will ever, you know what I'm saying, run into as well. I told you, if I wasn't doing this entertainment-ish, man, I'll be a substitute teacher. No cap. Look, don't drink no diet. You might as well just drink the regular soda. Diet, anything like Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, Diet Mountain Dew, they have like the ingredients in diet sodas that's it's called artificial, you know what I'm saying, unsweetened or something around that category. It's actually linked that, you know what I'm saying, that has not a huge, but it definitely, you know what I'm saying, can cause a reason, you know what I'm saying, if you, now this is not guaranteed, but it definitely, like, you just don't want to be comfortable drinking stuff that has different chemicals in it that can cause it. But apparently diet anything can cause, you know what I'm saying, cancer, you know, because it has like chemicals that cause cancer in it, you know. Now I'm not sitting up here saying, oh, just because you drank a diet, you know, so some people, you know, they wanted to try, they're curious, or there's no other option. That doesn't mean just because you drank like 5 Diet Pepsis or any type of 5 diet sodas in your past lifetime, you're going to get cancer, or you're going to ever get, you know what I'm saying, you know, cancer, God forbid. But it can increase the chances because it has different artificial chemicals and all that type of stuff to make that soda not still have the taste to it, but not have the sugar in it. You got to also think about it. Like, there has to be also something to where it makes it taste right. So make sure, you know what I'm saying, you be careful with that. Now, just because you also, even if you still be like, okay, maybe this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, or I don't care what you got to say, just because you drink diet soda, still, you may not even, it doesn't guarantee you still get, you know what I'm saying, cancer. But, you know what I'm saying, just be careful, because what I've researched before in the past and what I've also heard, and, you know, sources like that and all of that stuff, diet, anything like soda especially, has chemicals in it that causes, you know, it just has harmful chemicals in general in it that causes cancer, you know. So be careful with that, everybody. Just looking out.
Exactly. I stay stocked with
You shouldn't even be drinking soda anyway. It's bad. Just drink water. If you're gonna drink a diet soda, you might as well drink water, to be honest with you, bro.
She's too good for the cherry coke, so she drinks that. Right. Okay. Then the Lipton, the green tea, man.
Nah, that's really good for you.
You know, vegetarian. I don't eat meat, and
Nah. See, I disagree with that part. Like, Lipton tea is actually very like good. Any tea in general is just good. You know what I'm saying? Especially like if you like, you know, do music, you're gonna be talking a lot. You know, like, it clears your throat. You know what I'm saying? Tea also keeps you from getting sick. You know what I'm saying? That's a source in helping you, you know, stay, you know, Rona free. That's another, you know, example. I already gave you guys the first 3 examples. You know what I'm saying? Weed, vitamin C, wine, you know, and tea definitely has an effect in it that has nice different flavors and chemicals. I don't think that's for vegetarians. I definitely drink tea, if not every day, every other day. But he's definitely going places though.
You know, fucking Erica Badu chicks, you know what I'm saying? And of course, niggas, for the hood chicks, damn, I got a draw Kool-Aid, nigga. What flavor you want? You know what I'm saying? I mean,
I said Kool-Aid.
Go with the, yeah, I'm gonna get the blue one. Cause okay, then we got water again for the in-shape chicks. You know what I'm
No, you
saying?
should just be drinking water in general.
For the fucking,
Bro, he got a stock ass fridge.
Chicks, more vitamin water shit.
Vitamin water.
Hold on, one more thing. If you a real nigga though, real niggas, you only got 2 things in your shit. Sweet Baby Ray's.
Facts. Gotta have that barbecue. Gotta have that barbecue. You got to. Ranch, facts for the pizza and like any other shit.
Niggas, we don't eat blue cheese. Black people don't eat blue cheese. We eat ranch. And hey, look.
Salad, of course, you gotta remember. Butter.
I can't believe it's not butter, man. This shit, you could drink this shit, man.
Nah, hell no. Don't drink that shit. Don't do that. Don't do that.
But it ain't butter. Shit is real fucking good, man. Real talk. Now, a lot of y'all saying, well, what about, you know, for the, hold on. Get money, get paid. Okay, we cool. Now, sometimes the women, they bring their kids over here. You know what I'm saying? Be fucking me up, because I'm trying to hit that ass. Right. So you know what I did, nigga? Damn. Hit them little niggas with a
Popsicle, I told y'all. Ooh! Oh yeah! You gotta have that ice cream. Bro, no, bro. Look. I prefer the M&M cookie ice cream. If you know what the fuck I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, bro. You missing out. You gotta have them Lego and my egos in there. Bro, especially if you don't even know how to cook. This guy's doing it right, definitely. If you don't know how to cook, especially for the not know how to cook dudes, you definitely have a stock freezer where you can warm it up in the oven or microwave, and then you have a stock refrigerator with drinks. So this is basically the answer.
So she bring a kid over here and I said, well, you want a freeze pop, little nigga? Because he just gonna cock block you anyway. Hit him with a motherfucking freeze pop. All types of flavors. We got like fucking 400 in this motherfucker. You know
the key to anybody, you know what I'm saying, you know, if somebody has like kids, a lady brings a kid over or whatever, or in general, keeping the kids distracted, definitely the popsicle, and you have to let them play your video game, bro. Look at me right now. Make sure they sign into a different account. Make sure you have a guest account. Let them play the video game. Let them do whatever they want on that account, and you Gucci, bro. I promise you the kid will not even know they are even out in a different stranger's crib. You know what I'm saying? With their mom obviously there, you know what I'm saying? But like, the point is, make sure you have those 2 things in hand. You need to have, you know what I'm saying, nice snacks, popsicles is, you know what I'm saying, and then you gotta have the video game, you know what I'm saying, so they don't cock block. This is facts.
And
facts,
if you like me, every once in a while you might kick it with a big girl with a pretty face, but just a fat girl. Hit her with the pizzas, the motherfucking ice cream sandwiches.
You need the cookie one, the M&M.
You know, hell, look, I got even more shit for them. Hold on. There you open up this. Bam! Snacks on snacks, nigga.
Cereal.
7, 8, 9 different flavors of cereal. We got Pop-Tarts, man. We got popcorn, toffee, wheat thins. Nigga, what you want? Get your snack on.
What you want?
Feel comfortable. You know, you breathing heavy as hell. I know you hungry. You know, 7 different flavors of chips.
Yeah, you gotta have all the chips.
Chips in this motherfucker.
Facts.
I mean, damn. Now, sometimes, okay, if a girl bring her kid over to your spot, you know what I'm saying, you gotta throw him off. So that's why I'm gonna take y'all over here. Let me walk to the front room right quick. You gotta throw that little nigga off, okay? Cause he gonna cock
The
block
fuck's
you
going
because
on
he
with the
don't want
camera?
you near his mom. So then you take the little 5-year-old kid. You say, look, little nigga, which one you wanna play? You wanna play the PS3 or the Xbox?
Did not just say this!
Because he ain't
IQ reacts!
Then you let him play on the big ass screen. You see, I got the PS3 on right now.
He's playing NBA Live 09. Yeah, this is definitely old video, you know it. I told you guys this before he even brought it up.
Just watch cable on the cable Comcast box.
Come on, man. When I'm talking, pay attention, better listen. I'm a legend. Fuck you mean?
That's all I really want to put y'all niggas on to. Have your crib set up, man, to make the girl feel good. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, she gonna be making you feel good. You niggas already know. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get my... Yeah, let me go ahead and get my... Where my Kool-Aid at? Damn.
Bro, don't leave that pizza there, bro. I want that. You just leaving the pizza out. Pass that over, man.
Juice all the way to the top. Because when I twist the motherfucking cap, I put it, the shit explodes like a goddamn grenade. Then I got blue juice all over my white carpet. Look, man, I appreciate you trying to give me as much juice for the value, but look, put the juice, look at this shit. See, now the juice is all at the top, you see? Put the juice down here so when I open it, it don't spill everywhere, okay? Trust me, I ain't gonna miss it. You know, these motherfuckers cost like $5 for $1, okay? Thank you. Anyway, y'all know, Shot City, man. Do your thing, get your whip game proper, get your crib together, and remember, get money,
get paid. That's just facts. It's 100% facts. This entire video, damn near. You know what I'm saying? And I even said it ahead of time. Hey, man, as usual, man. Comment down below. I react to next, man. On the roads, 3 milli. Make sure you buy some fresh or clean merch. FlightReacts.us. It's FlightReacts.us. If it ain't .us, it's Fugazi.